Hello everyone. If you love getting free stuff, you're in the right place. Today, I will be showing you the top 5 free gifts you can claim on Temu and exactly how to get them. Some of these are actually really useful, so don't miss out. And let's get started. So first on the list is wireless earbuds. Temu often gives away Bluetooth earbuds as part of their invite rewards or lucky spins. These aren't super high-end, but they're great for workouts, casual listening, or as a backup pair. If you see them available, grab them fast. So next up is LED strip lights. If you love decorating your room for gaming setup, these are a must-have. They come in different colors and remote controls, making them a fun and aesthetic freebie to pick up from Timu's gift selection. Now next is a mini portable fan. This is super handy gadget, especially in the summer or if you are traveling. Temu often includes this in new user freebies and spin to win deals, so keep an eye out for them. Yes, you can actually get a smartwatch or fitness tracker for free on Temu. While these aren't as advanced as Apple or Samsung watches, they still have step counters, notifications, and even heart rate tracking. Definitely one of the best freebies to grab. If you create content or just love taking great selfies, a phone stand or ring light is an awesome free gift. Temu often offers these in freebie trial session or referral rewards. It is small, useful, and totally worth picking. Now, if you are wondering how to claim these gifts, here's list how. So, first is refer friends. Invite new users to unlock free items. Next is the spin to win. Check the daily spins for prizes. And lastly is the flash deals and trials. Apply for freebie trials in the Temu app and make sure to check your account daily for new offers. And that's it. Those are the top 5 free gifts to pick on Temu right now. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.